Whoa, hello there. Howdy, 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 folks. Tripod master, I am not. This is Washington State Picker, if you didn't figure that out already. I have a lock for you. It's called I Pity the Spool by, I don't remember who it is, Trekmaster 30. That's right. It's written on the bag. No key to show you if it works, but I found a trick last night. I single pin picked this thing a couple times, off camera of course. Raked it to a false set twice yesterday and was able to pick it quickly. I don't remember which rake I used. My good Bogota broke. All I have now is a 15 thousandths Dangerfield Bogota, and it's a little flimsy, but it might work. I'm going to try it real quick. See if I can't get that false set and do a quick video for once, huh? Sure you guys fast forward through all mine anyway, because they're all like 20-minute long videos. Very light tension, and I should get into a pretty good false set. Then from there it should be pin 3 binding. No false set that time. I ordered I ordered Peterson Bogotas, as well as some of their other weird ones. They're new, weird named rakes. Okay, I got a little core movement there. I'm going to try it now. I'm going to go to a jam. I'll use my bent one here. See if I can't get somewhere. Okay, come on. I think this is 4. I think it's a 6-pinner. I'm not sure. Well, feels like I overset it. This weekend, I only get one day off now because of harvest. But Saturday, I think, or tomorrow night, maybe, I'll try to get Bill Bacardi's lock 230 open. I've opened it only once. And I don't want to do a whip video because all the locks I've had of his have whipped me. You know, I didn't put a lot of time and effort into them either, like Al LaBelle's. I just didn't put a lot of time in them because I knew they were going to be hard, so figured I would try to be successful with Mr. Bacardi, but I know I can get into this one, and I don't know why it's not working. I just tried filming a few minutes ago, too, and it just didn't work. I'm going to tension that way, slip the bogey in there. Hope I don't break it. Okay. Can't tell right now. Yeah, I got that false set going. Little one though. It's not as big as the one I need, I think, but we're going to see. Find that binder. Something just dropped. I don't think that's the false set I need. I'm going to zip it with light tension and hopefully drop the ones I overset. Okay, there's more movement. Either that or it's my tension wrench. Now at this point I can't tell. Counter rotation. There we got a big deep false set. This is the big one. This is the one I think pin 3 is going to be binding. And there she is. Counter rotation. Pop it. Oh, dang. Counter rotation again. Got it. Cool. Not bad. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. I will take that for sure. And I have that pinning tray still used. My skull one still has Hampus's lock on it. I always want to call him Krampus because you know, the movie Krampus and whatnot. And fairy tale, and I just dropped my practice picks all over the floor. All right, Bronx Lock Picker 60, you're rubbing off. You are dropping pins, I'm dropping picks. Hey, we make a great team. I ought to come move in with you. What do you say? We could have a real mess. All righty then. Get these put away so I don't step on them and hurt myself. I'm going to get this thing gutted. I'll fix these other ones later. Who needs a stinking key, right? I Pity the Spool by TM30 is done. Always feels good to get one open after a fail. Let's see, I don't want to lock it up. I really don't want to lock it up. It's only got screws. This ought to be easy. As long as I don't foobar it. Ah, they were kind of loose. No wonder the core seemed a little floppy there. That happens. Alrighty, I'm going to shim it. I know he's got spools. I don't know if he's got any T-pins in it. Let's see where we're at. How are we oriented over here? So I will shim it. I'm going to shim in there. It's kind of tight. This thing is a pretty good lock. I don't know what kind it is. I may not be able to shim this bad boy. Look at the tolerance on that. It's like, you know, somebody who knew what they were doing machined that shit. Unlike those cheap locks I ordered on eBay. They're quickset clones. They take a KW1 key, but their tolerances are so bad, my followers flop around. It's really bad. So let's see here. I'm going to do it this way. Oops. Twist you around. See if we can do it without spilling them. I just dropped something. Oh no. Oh no, I'm sorry. Oh no. Oh no. I didn't drop any of the key pins, thank goodness. Shoot. Oh, here we go. Gutting failure. I don't know, TM30, you're going to have to help me. One of these, I'm assuming I went that way because that's how I'd put a spool in. One of these was in 5 or I don't know how many. Well, let's see. It's only a 5-pinner, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we had a serrated in one or the other, and only got one spring out. Oh. Two copper springs, at least that doesn't matter. Dang it, I hate it when I do that shit. Well, I couldn't get the shim in. I must have had a bad set of shims. So, we know it's either one of those, and I don't even think it would matter. Really. People want to put my pins in willy-nilly, they can if they want. I saw how that went in. That was pointing. Oops, other way. That way. That's a nice looking spool. Another copper. That went that way. Like that. I forgot to dump the spring. I'll get it. I'm sure it's copper anyway. Watch it be the one steel spring. Ooh, look at that. That was down that way. Oh, crap. I think I got those out backwards. So this would be 1 or 2. Wait a minute. Push the plug out that way. Yeah, so I got them all backwards. This will be 6. This will be 5, or 5, 4, 3. And then these go. And then the springs. So Trekmaster 30, let me know which order those were in. Let's look at the key pins. So pin 1. Ooh, nice spool. Hence the name, huh, buddy? Oops. Pin 2. Serrated. Nicely serrated, too. Pin 3. You guys have to tell me if I've been doing them backwards. When I got these locks on camera, I somehow get confused and all screwed up. But when I, take stock locks apart, I don't care. I usually dump everything out anyway. So we got threading in all of them. I don't see any counter milling. Of course, probably wouldn't want to if you threaded. See what we got up here. I see threading in, I don't think you can see it, threading in all of these too. He threaded all of them. I'm really amazed that the springs didn't hang up. When I thread stuff, the springs really hang up pretty bad. But that was a fun lock. Thanks, Trekmaster 30, and thank you all for watching. Let me know what order those were in. I think I got this one upside down. There we go. Anyway, let's zoom in on them. All right, zoom out a little. There we go. So you have serrated here, nice spool here, looks like a torpedo spool. Then you have a little spool here, and up top for the drivers, a nice spool. Nice, really deep, sharp spool. This one's really neat. I usually wear my goggles when I'm working on locks, so anyway, it's got micro serrations on it. In the bottom, look at that. That is beautiful, man. Really designed to hang up. This one has the same thing. It's got serrated in with the spool. Beautiful. Beautiful pins. And I'm assuming this one will too. Yep, it does. Very nicely done. Nice lock, fun lock. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Trekmaster 30. This lock as well is going to be going to Jason Carlson. That's why I wanted to get it done tonight. I'm going to ship his package off Monday after work, I think. And anyway, you got a lot of challenge locks coming your way and something special. I will send you something, some kind of surprise. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Have a great night.